This is smooth. Okay, smoothly this work perfectly and moving. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechMechanic. This is the Tapo C200 CC camera for home, shop and office. So unboxing completely, and now try this. This is the power adapter to 20 volt and DC 9 volt output. Yes, this LED are on. Look, red color. This is output speaker. T-filling brander. This is the box. T-filling Tapo Smart Secure Wi-Fi camera. Motion detection and notification, night vision. 1080. This is rotating. Look. This is smooth. Okay, smoothly this work perfectly and moving. So nice camera. Okay, this is the mount, wall sticker for this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. For more informative video, subscribe my channel TechMechanic. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.